Hey guys, Chuko Belago. So this video still on Mantra Chain. It's not that I'm talking about Mantra Chain, but some of the lessons and some of the things that I observed from Mantra Chain, because I spent 40 something minutes watching the interview between Cointelegraph and the co-founder and CEO of Mantra Chain. And he clarified a lot of things and explained what actually happened. But when I was watching it, I was looking at the pop-up comments in that this, because I watched it on X. Okay, I watched it on X. Okay, so those pop-up comments were coming out and they were all negative. They were all negative. Even people that didn't even lose money were making a hell of noise. And truthfully, I'm happy because the crypto market didn't even react as if something happened. Bitcoin hit 85,000. Ethereum was still holding strong to 1,006. It was as if nothing happened. It was like it was just another Monday. Okay, so I'm glad that the crypto market is maturing, that we don't just fly off the handle immediately. But that might be because we have now institutional players, more of institutional players and corporate players in the crypto space. Maybe that's why the market didn't react this way, because it was when it was purely retail. Believe you me, Bitcoin will be down, like 50% down. So why am I doing this video? Based on what I observed yesterday from people's reaction and the way people spread fear, uncertainty, and doubt, okay? That is why the retail investors are losing to corporate investors. Because the corporate investors are seeing the gem even before it is cleaned out. The retail investor is looking for the gem when it's already refined. And that's why they keep missing out. And at the end of the day, they'll blame it on the corporate and institutional investors that they own everything. Why wouldn't they own everything? If you have the reaction of a cat at every single time a market dips, knowing fully well that this is crypto. If you hold the asset and hold it long enough, the market will correct. That's a fact, and that's what will happen. Now, it doesn't happen for all assets, but you have to hold real assets. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. That's why corporate investors don't just go into meme coins, they go into platform tokens like Ethereum, BNB, Matran Chain that just created a platform where I think Damak has a $1 billion proposal or agreement with them to tokenize $1 billion worth of real estate properties. Those are, huge activities and solutions that these guys are offering. Okay, all right. So, but the retail investors will not see this. All they see is price movement. All they see is price movement, and that's why they are losing out. And because of their reaction, a lot of the airdrops that are going on right now and future ones are going to look at airdrop and say, man, we are just going to reward those who add value to our ecosystem, and we are not promising airdrops. Are you get what I'm saying? And that is why you notice that the wave of airdrops in 2024 is not the same thing right now in 2025. Because most developers are becoming aware that regardless of how